Welcome to an extraordinary exploration of Alaska's volcanic wonders. Nestled in the far north of North America, this vast and rugged land is home to some of the most active and remarkable volcanoes on our planet. In this 10-minute journey, we'll venture into the heart of Alaska's volcanic landscapes, discover their geological significance, and witness the awe-inspiring power of these natural giants. Alaska is situated within the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped region that encircles the Pacific Ocean and is known for its high volcanic and seismic activity. Here, beneath the Earth's surface, a dynamic dance of tectonic plates unfolds. The Pacific Plate subducts beneath the North American Plate, creating immense pressure and, in turn, volcanic eruptions. Our journey begins in the Aleutian Islands, a remote and wild archipelago that stretches across the Pacific Ocean. Here, a chain of volcanic islands extends westward from the Alaskan mainland. These islands are home to several active volcanoes, some of which have made history with their explosive eruptions. One of the most notorious volcanoes in Alaska, Mount Redoubt, has erupted multiple times in recent history. Its towering presence and its impact on local communities have made it a subject of intense scientific study. We'll delve into the history of Redoubt's eruptions and how scientists monitor its activity to better understand volcanic behavior. Early eruptions. Mount Redoubt's recorded history of eruptions dates back to the late 18th century. The volcano has been in a state of recurrent activity, with eruptions separated by years or decades. Eruption of 1966. One of the most notable eruptions occurred in 1966. It was a phreatic explosion, characterized by the interaction between groundwater and hot volcanic material. While this eruption did not produce much lava, it significantly impacted the surrounding area with ashfall. 1989 to 1990 eruptions. The most widely known and significant eruptions of Mount Redoubt in recent history took place in 1989 and 1990. These eruptions had severe implications. On December 14, 1989, Redoubt unleashed a massive explosion, sending a plume of ash to an altitude of over 45,000 feet. This had catastrophic consequences for aviation in the region. Aviation impact. The 1989 to 1990 eruptions of Redoubt were instrumental in highlighting the threat that volcanic ash poses to aviation. The eruption led to the in-flight engine failure of KLM Flight 867 and resulted in several other planes, including a 747, experiencing engine damage due to volcanic ash ingestion. This event played a crucial role in improving volcanic ash detection and monitoring for aviation safety worldwide. Monitoring and preparedness. The 1989 to 1990 eruptions of Mount Redoubt emphasized the importance of volcanic monitoring and early warning systems. The Alaska Volcano Observatory, AVO, significantly expanded its monitoring efforts after these eruptions, using a combination of ground-based instruments and remote sensing technologies. Recent activity. Since the 1989 to 1990 eruptions, Mount Redoubt has had smaller eruptions in 2009 and 2010, which resulted in ash plumes and minor ashfall. Ongoing study. Mount Redoubt continues to be a subject of scientific study and monitoring. Scientists are keen to understand its eruptive patterns, which could help predict future eruptions and mitigate their impact on local communities and aviation. In summary, Mount Redoubt's eruptive history is marked by recurrent activity, including the well-documented eruptions of 1989 to 1990. These eruptions have had a lasting impact on volcanic ash aviation safety and have driven advancements in volcanic monitoring and research. Mount Redoubt remains a focal point for volcanic study and preparedness in Alaska. Our journey takes us to Katmai National Park, where the Valley of 10,000 Smoke stands as a testament to the volcanic eruptions of the past. This eerie and otherworldly landscape was formed during the 1912 eruption of Novarupta, one of the most powerful volcanic events in recorded history. Next, we arrive at Mount Augustine, a frequently active volcano located on an island in the Cook Inlet. Augustine has a history of ash eruptions, and we'll explore the implications of these eruptions on aviation, climate, and local communities. Geological significance. Alaska is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, which means it lies along the boundary of the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate. This tectonic interaction is the primary driver of volcanic activity in the state. As the Pacific Plate subducts beneath the North American Plate, it melts and forms magma, which can rise to the surface, leading to volcanic eruptions. The Aleutian Chain. The Aleutian Islands, extending from the Alaskan mainland into the Pacific Ocean, are home to a string of active volcanoes. This chain is a testament to the powerful geological forces at work, resulting in a series of volcanic islands, each with its unique characteristics. Monitoring and research. Scientists closely monitor Alaska's volcanoes to better understand their behavior and predict eruptions. This monitoring involves various techniques, including seismometers, gas measurements, and satellite imagery. The Alaska Volcano Observatory, AVO, plays a vital role in this regard, providing real-time data and alerts. Eruption history. Alaska has a rich history of volcanic eruptions. Mount Redoubt, for example, has erupted multiple times in recent history, impacting the region with ash clouds and affecting aviation. These eruptions provide valuable insights into volcanic behavior. Impact on communities. The presence of active volcanoes in Alaska has a direct impact on local communities. Eruptions can lead to ashfall, which can damage infrastructure, impact agriculture, and pose health risks. Understanding the potential consequences of volcanic activity is crucial for community preparedness. The Valley of 10,000 Smokes. Katmai National Park is home to the Valley of 10,000 Smokes, a remarkable landscape created by the 1912 eruption of Novarupta. This event was one of the most powerful eruptions in the 20th century, and the valley remains a unique testament to the geological might of Alaska's volcanoes. Scientific discovery. Alaska's volcanoes are not just of regional importance, they contribute to global scientific understanding. They provide insights into volcanic processes, magma generation, and the effects of volcanic eruptions on climate and ecosystems. Preparedness and communication. Understanding Alaska's volcanoes goes hand in hand with preparedness and communication. The collaboration between scientists, emergency management teams, and communities is essential to keep people safe and informed during eruptions. In conclusion, Alaska's volcanoes are not only breathtaking natural features but also critical subjects of scientific research and preparedness efforts. They highlight the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet, where geological forces continue to shape the landscape and influence the lives of those who call this remarkable region home. As we conclude our 10-minute journey through the volcanoes of Alaska, we've witnessed the stunning natural beauty, the geological significance, and the challenges presented by these fiery giants. Alaska's volcanoes are a testament to the ever-changing and dynamic nature of our planet, where the Earth's raw power continually reshapes the landscape. To delve deeper into these volcanic wonders and unlock exclusive content, consider becoming a member of the Volcoholics YouTube community. Your membership not only supports our live streaming but also grants you access to exclusive content and membership perks. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of Earth's geological marvels. Don't forget to like this video to show your appreciation and share it with fellow volcano enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue our journey into the fascinating world of volcanoes. Thank you for being part of our Volcoholics community.